Hi guys, it's Fiona from Currys, and today we're going to show you 3 things we love about the Rangemaster Nexus Steam Dual Fuel Cooker. It has an 11 function oven, a dedicated steam cavity and a deluxe hot plate with multi-zone. I'm going to head to the lab now and have a look at things in a bit more detail. The oven itself has 11 different cooking functions, so it makes it easy to get the best results no matter what you're cooking. All you have to do is choose the one that best suits your dish and then it takes care of the rest. They include 3 new range functions: Duo, Delicate and Eco Mode. Duo is all about intense cooking, combining the base heat with the fan element. This is great for one-step pastry with no blind baking required. Delicate is ideal for foods that need to be cooked at a lower temperature, so creme brulees or meringues, anything that needs a gentler touch. And Eco Mode is as you might have thought, it's all about running at a lower cost. Another cooking method it offers that is maybe a little bit healthier but just as versatile. It has a dedicated steam cavity with a capacity of 35 litres. Steam cooking really helps to retain the nutrients within the food, and there are so many dishes that you can steam cook and they all come out juicy, succulent and full of flavour. There's not much that this oven can't do. Even the hob is really flexible and offers loads of variety. The deluxe hot plate has 7 different cooking zones, including a powerful multi-ring burner, which is ideal for searing stir fries and other wok cooking, as well as a removable griddle. It has a smooth non-stick surface, which is perfect for anything from a full English breakfast to sizzling steaks and burgers. If you'd like more info on this Rangemaster cooker, then visit us in store, head online or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.